Okay. Let's. Okay. Can you just close your door one more time, please? Okay. Yes. Your seat first. Mirror, and then seat belt. Left here. Brake. Engine. Keep your foot on the brake. Change to the drive. Handbrake. Mira. Blinker to the right. Side back. Right side back. And left side. Straight a little bit. Now turn. Check your back. Nobody. Don't stop. Always try to stay more to the right, to the left, than to the right. Okay. Here, foot on the brake, and check, and foot on the accelerator. Now speed up and 50, straight, and see. Now look and wait. 1, 2, 20. Now mira, blinker, foot on the accelerator. Here on the diamond, you look side, back, front, and change. We have the right of way, so blinker, brake, but now someone's coming, we stop here. And closer to the center line. It's clear, follow the triangle. Side here, brake, straight, hands here, 25, speed, blinker, brake, bicycle check, pass number 25, full turn. Check, right, left, right, and here. Blinker and brake. 1, 2, stop. Bicycle check, over the shoulder, left side, straight, full turn. Twice, 1, 2. Look and speed. Before the curve, check and brake. Less than 20. Foot on the accelerator. Now we go straight here. So speed. Here at 15. Stop accelerating. Look. Speed again. Here at the number 7. Stop accelerating and change lane. So we need a blinker. Left side. Back window. Forward, move, and brake, less than 20, and foot on the accelerator. Brake, blinker, bicycle check, the wall comes sides, we turn. There's a change lane to the right, so check the mirror, blinker, side, back, forward. Let's cross our hands. Blinker to the right. Someone's coming, we stop here. And turn here, number 1. Nobody coming. Brake. Roads appear, full turn. Twice, 1, 2, roads appear, again, full turn. And blinker to the left. Straight. Again, blinker. Right, left, right. The B is the only one we turn left here. Okay, and again, left here. So blinker, bicycle check, and turn here. Blinker to the right. Straight. It's green, so right, left, someone's coming, we stop here. left, follow the arrow, and then change to the right. Mira, blinker, brake, right, back, forward, blinker to the right, slow down and check right, left. Someone's coming. We stop here. Left again. Here, move your body. Right, left. Half turn because we cannot touch the triangle. To the here, left, off the beat. And speed, and let's go back. We check meter, blinker, side, back, forward, a little straight, brake, and bicycle check, enter. Blinker, brake, check your left side, and adjust the front at the pole. Okay, like this. Parking, handbrake, blinker, and H. Release brake. Seat, mira, arigatou gozaimashita, and check side and back. Okay, let's try B now, okay? Dozo.